Today's topic is work, power, energy. We will start with work. Work, we mean some sort of exertion, mental or physical, or some activities like writing, reading. We say we are doing work. But in physics, work has some specific sense. Work is said to be done when a force is applied and a body is moved from one place to another. Therefore, the definition of work is said to be done when a force is applied on a body and the body gets displaced from one point to another. Example: a car is moving when a force is applied on the car. When you cycle, when you are paddling, the cycle moves from one point to another, one place to another, because you are applying force on the paddle. But what happens when you are pushing a wall or pushing a very big vehicle all alone? Does it move? It does not. In physics, we say there is no work done when there is no displacement. Though you are applying force, you are getting tired, but there is no force done, no work done, when
action.
When you are pushing a wall or any vehicle, a big vehicle, all alone, it does not move. In physics, we say no work is done as there is no displacement. So work is done only when force is applied and displacement is produced.
Rolling.
Therefore, work done denoted by W is equals to force applied denoted by capital F into displacement produced denoted by capital D. That is, work done is the product of force and displacement.
Rolling.
Therefore, the factors of work done is magnitude of the force applied and the displacement by the body. These are the two factors. Whenever you are writing, write it point wise.
Rolling.
Let there be two bodies, body 1, body 2. Same force is applied on both the bodies, but one displaces more and the other one displaces less. Same force is applied, displacement 1 is more than the displacement 2. Let the work done be W1, W2. That shows work done on body 1, that is W1, is greater than work done on body 2. Though force is same, displacement is different. So more the displacement, more the work done. In the second case, when one body, when force is acting different and the displacement is same, let body 1 has more force or more force is applied on body 1, but both are moving or displaced by same distance. In this case, W1 is again greater than W2. work done on the body 1 is more than work done on body 2, because more the force applied, more is the work done. Units of work. SI unit, when we find out the product, force and displacement, we get work. So the SI unit of force is Newton, displacement is meter. Unit of work in SI is Joule. Newton meter we could have written, like moment of force. There also we get Newton meter. But what is a scalar quantity and this is a scalar product. So we get the unit Joule. Similarly in CGS it is dyne and centimeter, dyne centimeter, and the unit is arc. What is the relation between 1 Joule and arc? That is the SI and the CGS unit of work. 1 Joule is 1 meter into 1 Newton, 1 Newton into 1 meter. Again 1 Newton is equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne, and 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 1 Joule is equals to 10 to the power 7 arc. Expression for work. In the first case, we find a force is applied which acts on a body along AB and displaces the body on an inclined surface from A to C. Let this be, the displacement be S. Now, the displacement of the body from the point of application of the force is AC, that is S, which makes an angle theta with the direction of the force. This is the direction of the force. So now we have to find out the component of displacement in the direction of force. The component of displacement is AB. So we have dropped a perpendicular CB, and now we are going to find out the component of displacement. Work done is F into AB. That is the component of displacement. Now here cos theta is equals to base by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. AC is S, that is the displacement. So we get cos theta is equals to AB by S. Therefore AB is equals to S cos theta. AB, the component of displacement, is S cos theta. Therefore W is equals to F S cos theta. I missed out the S. F S cos theta. Here PA represents the magnitude and the direction of force acting on the body. So the component of force in the direction of displacement is NA. NA, that is this point NA. So this is the direction of displacement. Work done is equals to NA into AC. Now AC is S. NA is the component of force. What is NA? From this triangle, this is the perpendicular dropped PN, we get NA is equals to PA cos theta. That is PA is F cos theta. That is W becomes F cos theta into S. W is equals to Fs cos theta. So in both the cases we get the expression of W as Fs cos theta.
Rolling.
So the expression we got for work is Fs cos theta. When theta is equals to 0, that is displacement is in the direction of force, cos theta is 1, so W becomes F into S. Work done is positive. For a free falling body, work done is positive. When a pulley does work on the load, when it raises the load against the gravity, the work done is positive. Next case, when theta is equals to 90, that is displacement is normal to the direction of force. Cos theta is 0, work done becomes 0. We say no work is done. Example, when coolie walks on a horizontal ground carrying a load on his head. Because the force of gravity to the displacement of load is normal. It is perpendicular on each other. Therefore, no work is done. When a body moves in a circular path, there also the displacement is perpendicular to the direction of force, and we get work done as 0. So there are two conditions where we get work done, no work done or work done as 0. When there is no displacement, that is S0, or when theta is 90. Third case, when theta is 180 degree, cos theta becomes minus 1. So W is minus 1, that is, it is negative. Work done is negative. W is minus F into S, sorry, this is a mistake. W is
action.
The last case, case 3, where theta is 180 degree. That means the displacement is in the direction opposite to the applied force. Cos theta is minus 1. W is equals to minus Fs. That is, the work done is negative. Example, when a body moves on a surface, the force of friction is opposite to the motion of the body. So the force of friction is negative. When a ball is thrown in upward direction, the displacement is against the force of gravity, is just opposite to the force of gravity. There also work done is negative.
Action.
Next term is power. What is the definition of power? Power is the rate of doing work. The mathematical expression, power P is equals to work done W by time taken T. What are the two factors then? The first one, amount of work done, and the second one, the time taken to do the work. So work done and time taken, these are the two factors. So what is the difference between work and power? Work is equals to the force into displacement, and power is rate of work, that is work by time. Work does not depend on time. And another difference is on the units. What is the unit of power? SI unit is joule per second. Work done by time. So joule per second. We also use the unit as watt. CGS unit is hour per second. The two important conversion we remember is 1 watt is equals to 10 to the power 7 hour per second and 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watt. These two you must remember.